I was just thinking कि what should be the topic, कौन से topic पे YouTube video बनाऊँ वगैरह, and I just realized that bitch I started YouTube to not think about topic, to not think about monetizing it, to not think about what's going to be my next video, and to get a lot of pressure. I started YouTube because I just want to put it out there, like what I feel in a day or what I feel in a week and whatever. And today is going to be another video. I'm just tired, guys. मतलब आई थिंक सिर्फ 15 ही डेज हुए हैं और मुझे रोना आ रहा है इंटर्नशिप के लिए. 15 days I was in OBGY and बहुत अच्छे like OBGY के residents as I thought about it, and I think mostly residents are good only all over. I think I would like to believe अब तक मेरे मेडिसिन सर्जरी वगैरह शुरू नहीं हुआ है. But guys, it's just a lot. It's only 15 days and there are like 365 days में से सिर्फ 15 हुए. There are 350 days still remaining. I really don't know how I'm going to sail through this. I think more than physically, so I'm tired. Physically, I'm tired because every single day you just have to go to internship. It just starts, यार. It just start at 9. तो फिर भी मैं लेट बोल रहा हूँ. 9 तक तो मुझे कॉल आने शुरू हो जाते कि तू भाई तू किधर है. 8 से ही दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग एंड मैं कैसे उठ के जाऊँ 8 से यार. I was that chick in college who used to just not go even for like 8 a.m. lecture, and मैंने कितने कितने lecture छोड़े कि मैंने बोला प्लीज यार मैं attendance I'll cover it up in the another lecture, like put afternoon lectures I was to be 100% present there unless पूरे दिन में कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, then I used to not come. But yeah, this is just like too difficult, guys. I cannot एवरी सिंगल डे उठ के जाओ एंड देयर इज नो छुट्टी. आई मीन ठीक है लाइक फाइन संडे एक ही 15 दिन में बस एक संडे छुट्टी मिली मेरे को, बाकी के सारे दिन जाना पड़ा. एंड मेरे को नहीं हो रहा है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. राइट नाउ वेयर आई एम पोस्टेड इट्स वेरी चिल डिपार्टमेंट्स FMT. चिल इन द सेंस दैट ऐसा कुछ बहुत भाग दौड़ या फिर ऑब्वियसली ब्लड सैंपल वगैरह नहीं है बिकॉज पेशेंट ही नहीं है. डेड डेड लोग आर पेशेंट, बट बिकॉज हमको पोस्टमार्टम वगैरह देखना पड़ता है. बट गाइस इट्स जस्ट टू mentally and physically tiring. I really don't know what I'm going to do about it. And it's just like for like 600 rupees a day. I get it. I mean, this is the only time we have heard this from our like professors and everything. Tell ki this is the only period in life when as doctor we can work and we are not responsible for whatever we do. Somebody else is going to be responsible, and you can fuck up a little. You can obviously learn and grow and whatever. But guys, still it's just like too much. I'm applying a coconut lip balm which I got from Thailand, and it was just I think 20-30 baht, which is what, 90 rupees. 20 baht is 60 rupees and 30 baht is 90. And it's good, it's not bad. I've been applying it all over the day, and actually, and let's do a little good. मैंने 3 लाए है ये, 2 मेरे दोस्त लोगों के लिए भी लाई है. बट वो दोस्त लोगों ने ऐसा अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं किया, बिहेवियर नहीं किया, इसलिए मैं उनको अभी नहीं दे रहा. I'm only keeping it. I don't want to buy it. It's actually really good. Thai products are good. What I'm turning into Malvika Sitlani yaar, बीच में ही वो. But guys, I'm just tired. I'm tired about my YouTube. YouTube to chalo, I'm not tired because I just like put whatever I feel like without any. But I have started seeing YouTube के views also and YouTube के comments and YouTube के कितने subscriber बढ़ रहे, which is why I started in the first place, because I did not want to get attached to it like Instagram, but Instagram also. Guys, I understand. Okay, I'm a smart person. I would like to believe so. I should not get, and I do not get affected by the views, and it should not matter to me, and it should be feeling like कि मिले तो अच्छा है views, नहीं मिले तो नहीं है वगैरह वगैरह. बस एक्चुअली सारे अफेक्टिंग मी गाइस. जिस दिन मेरा वीडियो अच्छा करता है उस दिन मैं इतना मोटिवेटेड रहता हूँ. आई डू स्क्रिप्टिंग ऑल्सो, आई विल शूट ऑल्सो समथिंग, आई विल बी लाइक आई विल डू बेटर एंड वट एवर इट इज. एंड जिस दिन नहीं करता है उस दिन मैं इतना थकेला पड़ा रहता हूँ, जैसे आज है. मतलब like the threshold for the video doing really good has like increased so much, and I keep seeing other people के कितनी engagement है वगैरह वगैरह, which is such a wrong thing to say. It just like sucks the joy out of it. But what do I do? Like a lot of things are dependent on how your video perform, whether the next brand deal and whatever. So I don't think so it's directly affected. I really like this lip balm, but फिर भी होता है guys, थोड़ा affected वगैरह होता है, and I just don't know. I'm just really liking somebody in the hostel actually. So liking in the sense like just liking, and that's why I think कुछ दिन मेरे अच्छे जा रहे हैं whenever I talk to that person. That's like the only silver lining. बाकी के दिन I'm just like tired. I'm like, why am I here? What am I doing? And I'm not that chick, guys. I'm that person who just need like one day off in between the week and just like chilling, Saturday and not doing anything, and just like browsing through dating apps, just seeing where I can go, what I can eat, and just like chilling, watching something, creating something. I'm that kind of person, and just like I have a video to make. It's a brand video, and I'm supposed to do it in like broad sunlight and whatever. 9 to 5 I'm in college. What sunlight am I going to get यार? मैं कैसे sunlight निकालूं? Sunday also I'm working. अब मेरे को कल मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि I should wake up at like 7 me waking up at 7 doing my everything chore and whatever and just like taking an uh, half an hour अलग से and then shooting a video. Just थक गई यार सच में थक गई क्या है क्यों है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा जो लोग पीजी करते हैं वो भाई कैसे कर ले तो तुम लोग बिकॉज JR1 की तो जय लगी है मतलब 1 year to you cannot think about sleeping forget about like eating forget about going out forget about like doing whatever but you just can't think only about like doing your basic necessity and JR2 is not also good JR3 is still okay but you are like constant that from your HOD or whatever assistant professor to be. Guys, what is this hierarchy? Why are we doing stuff? What is like meant to be? I was that girl who used to go out and stuff like that. I still go out. Like my ये week में जो है इतनी मेरी dangerous नहीं है जो कि मैंने बोला 9 to 5 है and I'll come back at 5 which is still okay which is still nice. But then मेरा pediatric चालू होगा and उसमें जो लाट लगने वाली है हैज़ टू बी दैट पर्सन जिसको रात को नींद नहीं आती थी रात को मैं 1-2 बजे तक मस्त कुछ ना कुछ देखता था सोता था whatever एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी दैट पर्सन एंड अभी क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ आई रियली डोंट नो somebody is knocking the door why is somebody fucking coming when I'm literally doing this and I'm going to be so pissed off अगर कोई फालतू रहा तो but yeah that is the video guys I'm just feeling off and I'm just feeling a little demotivated and I'm just feeling like what is happening with me and stuff and I don't know. I'm just like not that chick, guys. I really don't know. I hope I find the silver lining. I hope like I was thinking that maybe in internship I should go to gym and stuff like that. But कहाँ से करूँ मैं कहाँ से ये time है and क्या होगा ये time से I really don't know. करना चाहिए जिम ध्यान देना चाहिए आई जस्ट फील लाइक अगर मेरी बॉडी बेटर होगी तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ें बेटर होगी आई सी अदर पीपल के सोशल मीडिया एंड आई फील लाइक उनका कितना अच्छा चालू है मेरा भी चलना चाहिए उतना एंगेजमेंट आना चाहिए उतना मेरे को पोस्ट करना चाहिए आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ वर्किंग व्हाट इज़ नॉट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन यूट्यूब आई एम जस्ट लाइक रियली confused and what is about my future that is something I should be worried about the most but I'm just not and I'm just lost I think that's going to be the title of this video lost thumbnail thumbnail I am actually what I'm doing can I just tell you all so I follow this Jay Madan karke whoever the lady is right and ये उसका is the trick that she have told us तो जितने तुम्हारे पास पुरानी चाबी हो उतनी you can take and basically before sleeping like you have to tell a wish to the चाबी that ये मेरे लाइफ में हो जाए ये हो जाए and क्या बोलते like for example like मुझे मुझे एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में कुछ ब्रेक मिल जाए या फिर आई गेट थ्रू 100 subs on 100k subs on YouTube or 100k subs on Instagram and whatever followers on Instagram. I just put this like the older the chabi the better. I just put this under my takiya and I just sleep. That I'm doing every single day. फालतू का मैं कर रहा हूँ 21 days के लिए एक दिन मैं मेरे रूम में नहीं सोया था मैं कहाँ सोया था आपको क्या करने का है अब मेरे मम्मी पापा हो गया आपको क्या करने का क्या है आपको एनीवे तो ऐसा हुआ था बारिश हो रही है मस्त रिमझिम 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 झिम सा एनीवे that's just happening. Silences are also important. I love Myra Khan, random fact. I just love her. I just feel like something so majestic about her. I'm just tired. I'm just tired. You know what I mean? I'm just tired. What is the topic of this video? What is the purpose of this? There's no purpose of this video. कोई मेरे लिए लिखेगा क्या एनीबडी हु इज सीइंग दिस कुंचलो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कुंचलो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग कैन एनीबडी जस्ट राइट फॉर मी आई विल बी सो ग्रेटफुल लाइक जस्ट राइट फॉर मी ना राइट सम स्टफ I'll be grateful. Write some thoughts, send it to me. I'll actually like hire you, and you can work. We can work on content together. I'm just feeling really bad because like only 10 minutes have happened, and my yapping skills are not matching up as compared to like other yapping skills, and I'm going to just cut it off, guys, because this is the most I can come off. I love Moment of Silence. I really like the podcast. I love Sakshi Didhani and Nana Bhan talking about things. This is like my guilty pleasure. I really want to see Love Letters by Isabel, whatever, whatever, because that is what I'm interested in doing. I'm not watching Lock Up. I am just not watching Lock Up because I just feel like one more reality show to just fuck with your mind is just not necessary. I'm really hoping and praying and waiting for Big Boss to happen because that's my favorite thing and I'm definitely going to watch that. Even though Lock Up is booming, but still. And what else? What else? What else? What else? I'm just not doing anything else. May Instagram just work. I don't know. 5:30 post करना is not it. Like I should post later. Do you guys want to see my video at night? Let me just know so that I can work on it and just get posted at night and whatever. And that's just it, guys. I don't know. It's 11-minute video only. Just bear with me. It's gonna be a short video, but like छोटा साइज दस मैटर छोटे लोगों की भी अपनी पहचान होती है बोना हुआ तो क्या हुआ बे रात का स्किन केयर रूटीन तो आई डोंट डू आई literally just wash my face and go to sleep. Vitamin C serum and moisturizer is today what I have. Like, guys, मैं laundry लेने नहीं जा पा रहा. मैंने कब से laundry दिया? It's been a week. मेरे laundry के कपड़े सच में like क्या बोलते गुम जाएंगे. But I'm just not going. इतना काम रहता है like आई कार्ड का ये दो वो दो बोनाफाइड दो ये दो वो दो. I'm just stuck and I'm just like what is happening and co-interns की माँ की co-intern साले मेरे एक बैच में एक वीक में मेरे को इतने खंदे co-interns बोले उनकी सब उनको मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है साले वो हर जगह फैला रहे कि गौरीश काम नहीं करता कामचोर इंटर्न है अरे तुम्हारे का काम करूँ क्या मैं तुम्हारा बाप का काम करूँगी मैं साले तुम लोग गधे हो तुम लोगों को इतना काम करना है इंटर्न का काम है काम चोरी करना इंटर्न का काम है कि जितना कम काम हो सके उतना काम करना अभी तुम साले आंग में तुम्हारी इतनी चर्बी है तुम जा जाके बोलते हो नहीं मैडम हमको करना है अरे साले तुम इतना कॉम्पिटेंट अब खुद को बताओगे तो तुम करोगे ही ना फिर काम फिर होगा ही तुम्हारा काम तुम गधा मजदूरी करते हो बहन तुम गधा मजदूरी करते हो भाई इस कैसे कवर अप किया मैंने कैसे कवर अप गाली देने वाला कैसे कवर अप किया पर तुम गधा मजदूरी करते हो और तुम समझते हो कि अभी मेरे जैसा घोड़ा तुम गधा बने अरे मैं घोड़ा क्यों गधा बने सालो तुम गधे हो तुम घोड़ा बनने की कोशिश करो ना इंटर्न का काम होता है काम चोरी करना साले काम चोरी नहीं करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे हम क्या वहां पे एक्चुअल काम करें नहीं भाई जितना कम काम हो सके एक एक दिन पोस्टपोन हो सके उतना करते हैं समझते नहीं हो यार तुम एड़े anyway guys that's just a video rage baiting and doing I love Anushka Sharma उसको जैसा मेरा कुछ हो जाए ना एक अच्छा पति मिल जाए एक अच्छा हस्बैंड की तलाश में तो हूँ मैं जस्ट शादी करके यूके जाना चाहता हूँ सही में या फिर अमेरिका whatever it is LA California I'm more than happy to do household work I really want to adopt a baby because I just feel like I have maternal instinct I really want to be a mother and I just feel like small little kids I would love to have baby fever is a real thing I have heard this in Malvika Sitlani vlog when she was not a mother and then a mother and then what had happened but I just love kids. I want to have kids. I'm just feeling very fatherly, motherly, whatever, grandparently, whatever it is. And I just really want to have kids. And I really like somebody want to marry me off and give me green card. That will be like an ideal thing. Not in India, outside India. इतना इंडिया नहीं करता हूँ मैं मेरे को पता है मेरा लाइफ इंडिया में ही रहने वाला है मैनिफेस्ट no whatever it is whatever bye guys